G'day ladies and gents, just a quick one here about thread taping. I just want to show you two types of thread tape that I use for doing water based connections. You want to use a different type for air, as there's a bit of research around the white thread tape being carcinogenic in air situations, but yeah, I'm not sure where that's at the moment. Anyway, the pink stuff is the type of thread tape that you use for heavy, big, fat connections. Generally speaking, a big coarse thread that needs a lot of... I've got a rubbish bin doing his business around me, a rubbish truck I mean, and what these the pink thread tape does is it takes up a lot of the space within that thread, and you need maybe 3 or 4 layers or laps, and with this one, the white stuff, you might need 20 or 15 or 10 layers. It all depends on the diameter of the thread that you do. But today we're just going to be using, I'll just show you how to do it on this one. So I generally start off by holding my thumb on the very end and just slowly work your way around. If you follow these directions, you'll find that the thread tape doesn't unscrew as you screw it back into the hole. And also just be very careful. Try and have it very close or just overlapping the edges of the thread, so you've got a bit of lubricant, as it acts as a lubricant as well. Oh, that's just run out, and I'll just get myself another one, and it's easy enough just to stop and start again. Simple as that. Just go around a bunch of times and work your way from the front of the thread, or the start of the thread, to the end, and that should be enough. And here I've got a solenoid. I've already started this end here. I've put my 2 bits of my parts in, and I end up screwing it in here. Now, one of the biggest things you have to worry about is getting it started. If you cross thread it whichever way, then it's not going to go in properly. So I find best to push and turn at the same time, and that generally gets it started correctly. And I just do this by hand, and then we'll tighten that up in a minute with a pipe wrench, and we'll see you in a sec.